Hi everyone, this meditation is going to be centered around finding a safe space for yourself and then being able to step outside of that comfort zone or safe space. So to get started, just go ahead and find an easy seat, somewhere that's comfortable. That can be sitting on your mat, on the rug, it can be on a chair. Just anywhere that you can feel your spine nice and long. If you're sitting up in a chair, you want the soles of your feet to plant down into the earth. Wherever you're at, just feel your sits bones rooting down. Allow your palms to rest on your thighs face down. Start to feel grounded right here in your space, wherever you're at. Allow your shoulders to release down and out, away from your ears. Place a slight tuck in your chin to keep the length through the back of your neck. Just start to focus in on the breath. Without controlling the breath at all, just noticing the gentle inhales and exhales. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. Without controlling it or changing it, just noticing what parts of the body may be affected by the breath. Maybe you feel it all the way up into your shoulders or your neck. Maybe simply drawing the awareness to it changes it a little bit. And we'll start to deepen the breath together. And as we do so, just be aware not to deepen the breath too much, that it starts to feel uncomfortable or that you can't breathe. Just allowing it to be deep enough to be a little bit more expansive than what a typical breath may be. On your inhale, feel your belly expand, your chest expand. Maybe your shoulders lift and expand. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. Again, full breath in. When your belly's full, let the air float to your chest, to your ribs, your shoulders. Open mouth, exhale, release. Full breath in through your nose, filling up, expanding. Open mouth, sigh it out. And start to find your own rhythm of breath. Your natural cadence of the breath in and out. And as you allow that rhythm to take shape, just notice how the body starts to feel like a safe space. Somewhere where you feel comfortable. Somewhere that you can trust. We have the ability through focus and through the breath to create a safe space within. Maybe it helps to keep your eyes closed. The breath in and out, acting as a place of refuge. No matter where we are physically, so wherever the physical body is, it doesn't matter. All we have to do is tune in to the breath. And we can use this safe space, these tools to create a safe space, to become a little more comfortable with going outside of our comfort zone. We'll use a visualization tool here. Just picture yourself where you're at, your body in this space, focusing on the breath. This is your comfort zone. Somewhere where you have the power to tap into wherever you're at. You know this space well. And the more that you practice it, the more you will become acquainted with it. Across the way, start to form in your mind a wall. So this can be a brick wall, it can be a fence, it can be a gate, it can be anything. And that is going to act as the edge of your comfort zone. Just start to visualize yourself walking over to that wall. It can be a bridge, it can be anything. You're walking over to it. And as you walk, there's no feelings attached. No anxiety, no excitement, no stress. Just a comfortable walk. You know where that comfort zone is and you know how to get to it. You know how to get back to it. It's through the breath. So this walk is calm, it's easy. When you get to the wall, place your palm up against the wall, whatever you're visualizing. And you don't know what's on the other side. All you know is that once you get to the other side, you know exactly where your comfort zone is, and you always have the tools, the option to pull yourself back. And knowing that gives you that extra push, maybe that excitement, that bravery to get to the other side. And that's exactly what you do. Maybe you hop over the wall. Maybe you step through the gates. Maybe you walk over the bridge. And whatever is there waiting for you on the opposite side of your comfort zone, you still have your hand attached to the wall, but on the other side. You feel that connection, you feel that safe space so close. Knowing that's there, it gives you the strength, the bravery to push yourself to the outside of your comfort zone. The second you want to pull yourself back, you can. All you have to do is step back to the other side. Close your eyes, maybe. Start to focus on the breath in your back. Breathing in, breathing out. In and out. Wherever you are physically, that starts to fade away. And you're safe within your mind, within your body, within your breath. Start to reconnect with your body. Feel your sits bones rooting down into the earth or wherever you're sitting. Almost like you're sitting in warm sand at the beach, maybe. Your sits bones are rooting down into the earth, into the sand, but there's a softness to it. You feel that yummy warmth of the sand warming your skin through your pants or whatever you're wearing. Just feeling fully grounded right here in this space. Together, full breath in. Open mouth, sigh it out. 2 more like that. Breathe in, expand. Open mouth, exhale, release. Last time, breathe in. Open mouth, sigh it out. You can stay right here, just breathing, just being and living in this comfort zone, this safe space with the breath. But if it's time to come on out of this meditation practice, just start to wiggle your toes, maybe your fingers on your thighs. Find any movement that feels good, just reawakening yourself in a gentle way. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Next time you're feeling like you need that comfort zone, that space where you can go to, know that it lies within. And the more that you pay attention, the more that you focus, the more you'll become acquainted with it and the easier it'll be to find it.